How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Golna Bazar. Today's our topic is more on multiplication, and our today's topic is check your understanding, that is related to chapter 1 to 7. Okay, on last day we learned in chapter first numbers up to 200, and in this topic we have learned numbers up to 200, reading numbers, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers, ordering numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, ordinal numbers. And in addition, second topic, adding 2-digit number, adding 3 2-digit number, story sums, addition with regrouping, adding more than 2 numbers, order of addition. In topic third, we have learned regrouping 1 10 to 10 ones, subtraction with regrouping, using subtraction to compare, checking subtraction with addition, story sums, addition and subtraction facts. And in topic 4, understanding multiplication, we have learned multiplying by 2, doubles, multiplying by 5, multiplying by 10, multiplying by 0, multiplying by 1, story sum. And in topic 5, numbers up to 999, we have learned forming numbers up to 999, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers. And in topic 6, we have learned addition and subtraction of bigger numbers, and the topics were adding 2-digit number, adding 3-digit number, subtracting bigger numbers, and story sums. And chapter 7 was topic 7 was more on multiplication, and in this topic we have learned multiplying by 3, multiplying by 4, multiplying by 6, story sums, order in multiplication, multiplying 2-digit numbers, multiplication with regrouping. So come on, check your understanding, that is dependent on chapter 1 to 7. So let's come on and check your understanding is given in your book. So let's solve it. In first picture there are 100 blocks, 100 big block, so and plus 9 single blocks, so 100 plus 6, that is 106. So we have to take out 106. In second there is 100 block, and in each block there are 100 small block, so that is 100, and 4 tens block, so 100 plus 40, so that is 140. In second 140 you have to take. Third, there is single block of 100 and one block of 10 and one single block, so 100 plus 10 plus 1, that is 111. So we have to take 111. And the next is there is one single block, that is 100, and 2 tens block, that is 20, and 9 single blocks, so 100 plus 20 plus 9, that is 129. Draw a circle around the sum in each row, write plus and equal signs, that like 9 plus 9 equal 18, and in next row 8 plus 4 equal 12, so we have to circle it also. And in third row 7 plus 15 equal 22, and we have to circle also. And in fourth row there is 5 plus 8 equal 13, so we have to circle it. And in fifth row there is 9 plus 8 equal 17, so we have to circle it. Question number C, write in increasing order. We have to write in increasing order. The numbers are 52, 59, 57. When we write increasing order, that means the smallest to greatest. So 52, 57 and 59. Second, 96, 94, 101. When we write in increasing order, 94, 96 and 101. Third, 108, 99 and 105. When we write in increasing order, 99, 105, 108. Question number 4, 102, 120, 112. When we write in increasing order, 102, 112, 120. Come on next page. Jignesh can catch only fish to which the answers are 11, 12 and 14. Color the fish red he can catch. That means the answer are 11, 12, 13, 14. You have to color from red. So first is 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. So that is you have to color it from red. 7 minus 2 equal 5. So you have to not color it. Okay. Because if the answer is 11, 12, 13, 14, then you have to color it from red. 19 minus 8, that is 11, so you have to color it. 13 minus 3, that is 11, and so you have to color this fish. 19 minus 6, that is 13, so you have to color this fish, because which answer have 11, 12, 13, 14, so you have to color from red. 9 minus 3 equals 6, that is not in 11, 12, 13, 14, so you have to not color it. The next is 17 minus 3, that is 14, so you have to color it. And the next is 16 minus 2, that is 14, so you have to color it. And the next is 17 minus 1, that is 16, so you have to not color it, because in which answers have 11, 12, 13, 14, then you have to color from red. Okay, come on, next question. Match the following in the correct multiplication fact. For first, there are 3 groups, and in each group there are 2 stars, so we have to match it from 3 multiply 2, that is option C. Second, there are 5 groups of circles, and in each group there are 3 circles, so the number of group is 5 and the number of circle is 3. 5 multiply 3. Question number 2 का E, option E, 5 multiply 3. Third, there are 4 groups of circle, and in each group there are 4 circles, so 4 multiply 4, that is option B. In next, there are 5 groups of triangles, and in each group there are 2 triangles, so 5 multiply 2, that is option A. Question number 5, there are 4 groups of squares, and in each group there are 2 squares, so 4 multiply 2, that is option D. There is a question of brain teaser. Which balloon am I have 2 digit with 3 in the ones place? I have 2 digit with a 3 in the ones place, that means on one place there is 3, and 2 digit number I am more than 40 and less than 50, that is 43. Not can be 3, not can be 53, not can be 33, so that is 43, first 43, because it's saying that I am more than 40 and less than 50, so that is 43, first 43. So you have to come on next question. Multiply and use your answer to solve the riddle. 5 multiply 4 equals 20, so you have to write here 20. And 9 multiply 0, 0. Third, 3 multiply 9, 27. And 4 multiply 3, 12. And fifth, 1 multiply 7, 7. 6 multiply 6, 36. 8 multiply 5, 40. And 6 multiply 3, 18. And 5 multiply 2, 10. And 7 multiply 6, 42. So, when do astronauts eat? For 20, there is A. For 10, there is T. And in next column, for 42, there is L. For 20, there is A. And for 0, there is U. And for 36, there is N. For 27, there is C. And for 18, there is H. And for 12, in next column, for 12, there will be T. And for 12, there will be I. And for 40, there will be M. And for 7, there will be E. So, when do astronaut eat? At launch time, at LAUNCH, launch, TIME, time, at launch time. Okay. Common question number G, match the following. There are, in first there are 1 block of 100, and in each block there are 100 small blocks, and plus 2 tens blocks, so that is 20, and 6 single blocks, so 100 plus 20 plus 6, so that is 126, that is option D. Second, 900 plus 6, that is 906, that is option E. Question number third, 600 plus 9 tens, so that is 600 plus 9 tens, that is 90, so 600 plus 90, that is 690, 90, that is option C. Fourth, 815, that is option B, 815. Fifth, 300 plus 60 plus 3, 363, that is option A. Write a number in the correct place, add or subtract. Question number H, write a number in the correct place, add or subtract. 40 plus 90. When we write in column 0 0 0 4 9 30 4 9 13, so that is 130. 97 plus 87, 7 plus 7 14, and 9 plus 8 17, and 1 carry 18, so that is 184. Next is 794 minus 450. When we write in column 4 minus 0 4, 9 minus 5 4, and 7 minus 4 3, so that is 344. In third there will be 344 because 4 minus 0 4, 9 minus 5 4, and 7 minus 4 3, 344. Question number 4, 478 minus 123. When we write in column 8 minus 3 5, 7 minus 2 5, and 4 minus 1 3, so that is 355. Question number I, tick the correct option. 11 multiply 6, that is 66, so that is option A, so we have to tick it. Question number 2, that is 6 multiply 10 equals 60, so we have to tick B option, that is 60. And third, 22 multiply 6, so that is 132, and so we have to tick option C. And now that's your homework type. You have to complete your fair copy up to exercise 7.3. Okay, thank you.